Today I am going to try to put together some posts to hang some bistro lighting on our deck. And I'm going to show you where I am thinking. Okay, so here's our deck. I'm thinking of doing the posts on either end and then one in the middle, and then it will connect to the house up here, and we'll be stringing them like this. So first thing I am doing is I pulled out these 2x4s that we had. I'm just going to use these because that's what we have on hand. And I took my drill bit and drilled a hole in the end here, and then this just you can just use your hand and screw it in. And this is what I'll loop the bistro lighting on, and it'll be the exact same thing. Okay, so now what I'm doing is I'm taking our stain that we used on the deck so that the posts will match, and I'm going to stain all of them. Alright, so I went through and did one coat of stain on one of these boards. It's looking good. I'm going to let it dry and then see about potentially doing a second coat. Alright, so we got the first post in. Basically what we did to fill in this gap here is we took extra deck material so that it was the same width, screwed it in here to make it flush, and then we just screwed in the post. And we have 2 more to go.